Akanksha joins us from the residence of Shrikant Shinde. Akanksha, I believe the dhols and the nagadas are reverberating in celebration in the national capital as well. What's happening? Speak to some of the supporters of Mr. Shinde there.
मैडम, ये पूरे हिंदुत्व की जीत है और जो भी है हिंदुत्व ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और हम शिंदे जी साहब के साथ हैं।
कितनी बड़ी जीत है ये शिवसेना की और महायुति की पूरी महाराष्ट्र में?
बहुत बड़ी जीत है, सबने देख ही लिया। ये लोग जो बोला करते थे कि भाई ये गद्दार है वद्दार है बोलते थे, सबकी बोलती बंद हो गई है। अभी बोलती बंद हो गई है। हिंदुत्व जीत गया है, शिवसेना जीती है। शिवसेना की हमारे हिंदू साहब बनेंगे। जय शिवसेना की जय।
तो सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि अब चीफ मिनिस्टर के किसको देखते हैं? एक साथ में चीफ मिनिस्टर आए हैं इतने साल, अब किसको देखते हैं?
ये बहुत बड़ी जीत है, पूरे देश के हिंदुओं की जीत है जो अपनी एकता का जनाधार दिखाते हुए सारे हिंदुओं की जीत है। पहले हरियाणा, अब महाराष्ट्र, अब दिल्ली की बारी है। भगवा लहराएगा। पहले जनाब था हरियाणा, अब महाराष्ट्र, अब दिल्ली की बारी है। दिल्ली के अंदर भी भगवा लहराएगा।
तो हरियाणा के बाद अब महाराष्ट्र। मैं इनसे यही पूछ रही थी, क्वेश्चन ये रहता है कि चीफ मिनिस्टर का फेस अब कौन होगा? फडणवीस की बात हो रही है, एकनाथ शिंदे जी की बात हो रही है कि किस तरह दिखती है शिवसेना पार्टी?
जी, एकनाथ शिंदे जी हमारे सीएम रहेंगे और हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि पहले जैसे हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने सीएम का पद संभाला है, ऐसे ही अभी भी हमारे महाराष्ट्र की सेवा में हमेशा।
In fact, Akanksha, let me come in now because I want to quickly go across to a colleague, Pinky, who's joining us from Chennapatna in Karnataka. Pinky, it has been quite a by-election there, a very closely contested fight for Nikhil Kumaraswamy versus a veteran actor and former leader. In fact, he switched over from the BJP to the Congress just before this election. CP Yogeshwar has won the election, but that's not the only thing. It's not just about Nikhil Kumaraswamy. All three by-elections have gone in favor of the Congress party there in Karnataka. What does this mean in terms of DK Shivkumar, because he had a very important role in ensuring this victory for the Congress in Karnataka? Pinky.
Well, absolutely, the picture of this high-stakes bypoll in Karnataka is now clear, with Congress winning all the three bypoll seats. Let me first take you across the visuals outside the counting center at Channapatna, which was which saw a very intense, in fact, campaigning from the JDS, Nikhil Kumaraswamy and CP Yogeshwar. However, DK brothers played a major role, is what supporter here also says, and they needed, in fact, a local phase as far as CP Yogeshwar is concerned. Just some time back there was huge celebrations, and right now all the Congress workers have gathered here to welcome CP Yogeshwar once he'll be reaching in the evening. So clearly, as far as Sandur seat is also concerned, Congress has won that particular seat, and mainly we talk about Channapatna and Shigaon, where the third generation of Bommai family or the Gowda's family were in fact in prey, and clearly Congress has won all the seats, leaving out a clear message that amid the Muda scam or Valmiki scam, as well as the Waqf board row, Congress has been able to manage among the crowd and public, as even Congress leaders are saying that Siddharamaya's
very important observation there, Pinky. Despite the Muda scam, despite the Valmiki vote scam, despite the fact that there have been allegations as far as misuse of Waqf is concerned, several derogatory remarks made by Zamir Ahmed, the minister in the Karnataka cabinet, against Kumaraswamy. Despite all of that, Congress has been able to tide over these crises and win three elections. Also, two third-generation politicians, Bommai as well as Nikhil Kumaraswamy, who have not been successful this time round in these elections. Thanks so much to you for joining us, both Pinky, Akanksha, Arunil, Shweta, as well as all our other reporters who've been bringing us reports through the course of the day today. And